Hello, Barry Anderson here from Trade Ideas with the stock of the day. And I've chosen this one because, I had some stocks coming in from the option scanner today. But most of them, even though the majority of them ended up working, they were very choppy. In other words, let's just take a look at KPLT, which is starting to work now. Here, let me just get KPLT up and running. We had an alert here, I think, around 650, and it looked like it was going to just start to soar. And then look what happened, big bottoming tail, and now it's right back up again. And it's got a ton of room when you look left on a daily chart. I think it's got up to about $9. Mile was the same kind of thing, MILE. But, I'm looking at TGP, and TGP came on the option scanner also. Just a second, let me get TGP. Came on the option scanner right at $16. And it sat there for probably 30 minutes without doing anything. And then finally it popped up, and there is some resistance around 1672. So I thought I would just show you this one as an example of a fairly simple trade to get into. And you just hold on. Now it's, again, I think the resistance is around 1652 or 1670 or so. So it was getting kind of close to it. But, on a day in which I saw a lot of super choppy action, this one actually from the option scanner did pretty well, 16 all the way up to 1650 before it pulled back. All right, everybody. Now listen, in the email you're getting, you will see a promo code for 20% off. It's our Labor Day special, 20% off the first month only or the entire year of a Trade Idea subscription. So you'll see the promo code to use in the email you're getting. So obviously the markets are closed on Monday, so I hope everybody has a great long weekend, and we'll see you in the trading room on Monday morning at 9 o'clock Eastern Time. Bye-bye.